91, even if it's 91K. Hey, in Canada, it's like 120 easily. Boom. I know it's hard, but what would you want to do the easy? What would you want to do and learn what people is basically not teaching in college or university? What would you just be like an average person? No average over here. It's no average. For you, it's like, hey, maybe like people say out there, escape the matrix. Escape the matrix. That's what it is exactly, right? So let me see. Let me open that video. So check out my video here where I show you how to deploy the EKA service. I also have a document for that. I'm gonna show you that in a second here. Where is it? Right here. So this is the video that I created, and then you can open this document. You will have access to, if you join me, you're gonna have step by step in how to do that. Standard operating procedure or SOP. And then do this, do that, follow the steps. Now you're learning cloud native technologies and deploying this cloud native in the public cloud.